Isoko wade, Masai de Vivi. With this, I welcome you to another episode of our Isoko language class. The words that you hear in English, how they are pronounced in Isoko. Ibiemi ibujo, if the marriage Isoko, my ẹrọunu, my rosai, eva Isoko, ure marona, koe. The storm is ekboro, or oda. So we call it ebiri, ekboro, oda, ebiri. All is referring to the storm. Then the river is Ete. Then the lake is Urie, the swamp. Ibo, Apata, Iwori, Ovo, Iko. I'll take that again. Swamp. Ibo, Apata, Iwori, Ovo, Iko. That is for the swamp. Then the pond is Owe. Owe is the pond. Then the well where you fetch water from is Oza. So we'll say Ozai, Oza. That's for the well. Then you have the firmament. Firmament is called Idadege. Then the sky is Etwe. That's the sky. Etwe. Also we call it Eru. That's the sky. Eru. Etwe. Some we mistake or some calls both the firmament and the sky. Idadege, but etwe, that's another word for it. Then rain is also that's rain. So we call it enu, that's the rain. Then the rainbow is usiame, that's rainbow. Usiame, or some call it usiokbowo, that's for the rainbow. Usiame, usiokbowo. Then water is ame. Then spring water is amuto. You know, spring water comes from rock. So we say amuto is spring water. Then flood is owe. Yes, the communities you hear owe means flood. Flood is owe, that's flood. Then tsunami is okoze or owedude, meaning a flood that came suddenly. That is tsunami. Okoze or owedude, that's tsunami. Sun, ore or uvo, that is for the sun. Then flower is ododo, plural is idodo, ododo, that's flower. Then palm nuts, the bunch is called unredi or edi. Unredi is the bunch of the palm nuts, so that's unredi. Then a human being is owo. Fish is emeri, that is fish. Also, we call it emeri, that is fish. Moon is ugo. Also, we call it abugo, amara, overe, akalo. Did you get that? Moon, ore, overe, abugo, akalo. That is moon. Then star is AC. AC is star. Meanwhile, pig is AC. Did you get the different pronunciations now? AC star. AC pig. Did you get that? Star, AC, pig, AC. I am sure you've learned some words in English that you never knew existed in the Isoko language. I want you to put them to good use. And I assure you, you will know how to speak fluently. Trust me, Masai Isoko Microphone. And I plead with you, please follow me on my social media handle. When you see this post, like. Don't just like, learn. Don't just learn, share it. Don't just share it, comment on it. Till I see you in next class. I love you.